The 12 principles define how to make realistic and believable animation, regardless of medium. In this episode, we discuss exaggeration.
TipTut.
So, let's talk about exaggeration. Animation is exaggeration. If animation follows real life too closely, it loses so much impact. Rotoscoping, the process of drawing over live footage or 3D models, can be a good example of where the charm and nuance of motion is lost when we stick too close to real life. This isn't to say rotoscoping animation is wholly bad. There are some fantastic examples out there. Sure, we can reference real life to get the broad strokes right, but then to make great animation, we should take that movement and exaggerate it. The things we animate don't actually follow the laws of physics, so exaggerating things like weight or impact really helps to sell the animation to the audience. This is kind of similar to the principle of staging, wherein we use various techniques to reinforce an idea, like our angry man from before. He stubs his toe and is angry about it. Seems fine. But when we add him hopping up and down, turning red, some extreme expressions, and smoke coming out from his ears, we realize just how boring the first animation was. It's all about exaggeration. They're not mad, they're furious. They're not happy, they're elated. They're not strong, they're ripped. They're not cute, they're sickeningly kawaii AF. Sorry. Let's take a perfectly serviceable slap animation. Seems quite impactful, no? Let's exaggerate the wind-up. Now the impact. Finally, the follow-through. Much better. You can apply this idea to anything. Character, emotion, color, movement, whatever. It doesn't matter. Animation is exaggeration. That's it for exaggeration. Make sure you've subscribed and rung the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode, which is all about solid drawing, and I'll see you next time on TipTut. Massive thank yous to my level 2 and above members, without whom this channel would not be possible. So if you'd like to become a member of the TipTut Zone, just click that join button below for exclusive perks and benefits like these lovely people.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.